Hello everybody. Sareen Salam. I've been invited to the International Kirtan Conference to speak a bit about my journey of learning Gurbani Kirtan. And I've been approached because I participated in a 24-part docu-series called Allegory, a Tapestry of Guru Nanak's Travels. How I became a part of that series is when Amardeep Singh approached me after having seen a rendition of शब्द I had learned from भाई गुलाम मोहम्मद चांद. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा वो पेश करती हूँ. प्राण मान रंगीला मोहिन, प्राण मान रंगीला मोहिन, दिन राति आराधो प्यारो, जी दिन राति आराधो प्यारो, एक निमक ना कीजे ढीला मोहिन, प्राण मान रंगीला मोहिन, जे सिमरत मन होत आनंदा, जे सिमरत मन होत आनंदा, उतरे मनो जंगीला मोहिन, प्राण मान रंगीला मोहिन. So shortly after Amardeep having heard me on Facebook, he approached me through Facebook Messenger and asked if I'd be part of his docu-series and if I'd be able to compose some things for him. And at that point I said to him that I'm not classically trained and I've never composed as such. So he said, no, it's fine, just do it. And then he gave me 4 verses to compose. One of them was in Suhi, Rag Suhi, Galli Jog Na Hoi. So it goes like this. Galli Jog Na Hoi, Galli Jog Na Hoi, एक दृष्ट कर संसार जाने, एक दृष्ट कर संसार जाने, जोगी काहिए सोई, गल्ली जोग ना होई, जोग न खिंथा, जोग न डंडे, जोग न भस्म चढ़ाए, जोग न मुंदी मुंद मुंडाए, जोग न सिंगी वाये, अंजन माय निरंजन रहिए, अंजन माय निरंजन रहिए, जोग जुगत एव पाय, गल्ली जोग ना होई. The other one I did was in Rag Asa, and I realized that Asa is my favorite Rag. And the jaga that fell into my head, it just fell into my head, was Sacha Sahib Sacha Nai. आखा जीवा विसरे मर जाऊं आखन औखा साचा नाव साच नाम की लागे भूख साच नाम की लागे भूख उत भूखे खाए चले है दुख सो क्यों विसरे मेरी माय सो क्यों विसरे मेरी माय साचा साहिब साचा नाय. I shared these 4 compositions with Amardeep. I think it was back in year 2018, late 2018 and beginning 2019. And I thought I was done. Kaam ho gaya. Aage chalo. But then they approached me again. Amardeep Singh and his wife Vininder Kaur, they are co-directors of Allegory. And Nikki ji, Vininder, we call her Nikki ji. She approached me and said, "Okay, we'd like you to compose 130 verses for the docu-series as playback." So again I said, I may not have the capacity, and also I don't know the 37 Gurmat Sangeet Rags. So she said, "Don't worry, we'll hire you a teacher and he'll teach you and then you compose and sing them." So this process started in March maybe 2019, beginning 2019. And I started taking online lessons for the rag from Satninder Singh Bodal, and I've attached my short guide to the rags I've learned as Annexure A to my write-up, and we used to have video lessons. Then he started sending me voice notes on WhatsApp, and this was all remotely, being done remotely, because I think COVID was also starting. But it took a year almost of learning and then completing the compositions and for use in the docu-series. The recordings were done right here in a room with a partition, and on one side of the partition was Zohaib Hassan on the sarangi, and I sat on the other side, and the sound recordist, he came over and he captured everything, the verses, and the recordings were sent to Amardeep and Nikki ji in Singapore, where they were then touched up, jo hota hai mastering, and put in the docu-series. So another, I suppose, challenge was that I did not read Gurmukhi, and for that I was given voice recording, somebody reading the text for me, so I could make notes in Shahmukhi for myself. Yeah, the process was quite smooth. It happened quite organically, and it was an extension of my exposure to Punjabi poetry, so it wasn't an alien concept for me, but my pronunciation had to be fixed. My participation in the docu-series was probably facilitated by my already having learnt Gurbani Kirtan. As I mentioned, I'd been learning from Bhai Ghulam Muhammad Chand, and that I'd been learning since late 2008. And my introduction to him was through a Sangat, a group of Punjabi readers who I'll speak about later. So भाई गुलाम मोहम्मद चांद के साथ ऐसा हुआ कि in year 2006 he came and did a concert at our place and गुरबानी कीर्तन उन्होंने अपने सारे सुनाए. But and when I heard him, I was immediately drawn to his style of singing. And the first thing that kept repeating in my head was actually not Gurbani Kirtan. It was a Sera, which goes like mm, mm, आया मेरा बनरा बनरी को व्यावन आया मेरा बनरा बनरी को व्यावन बाप बनावे तेरा देसां दा राजा बाप बनावे तेरा देसां दा राजा बाल मशाला ले आया मेरा बनरा बनरी को व्यावन. Yeah, and then I said, ये तो I have to learn from Baba Ji. Or Bhai Ghulam Mohammad Chand, who we lovingly called Baba Ji. But the first kirtan I learned was Awwal Allah. वो Awwal Allah is from the Prabhati Bipas chapter, but the way we've been taught it is in Rag Charukashi. It goes Awwal Allah Noor Upaya Kudrat ke sab bande एक नूर ते सब जग उपजया कौन भले को मंदे अवल अल्लाह लोगा भरम न भूलो भाई लोगा भरम न भूलो भाई खालिक खलक खलक में खालिक खालिक खलक खलक में खालिक पूरा रया सब ठाई अवल अल्लाह नूर उपाया कुदरत के सब बंदे एक नूर ते सब जग उपजया कौन भले को मंदे अवल अल्लाह अवल अल्लाह. And so this brings us to the Sangat chapter of my life. In the write-up you will see a reproduction of text from Inshamukhi, which I've taken from the bundle that is read at the Sangat. The Sangat is a gathering of people interested in reading Punjabi poetry, regional Punjabi poetry. It's been historically held at 49 Jail Road in Lahore, and by Najm Hussain Sayyed and his late wife Samina Hassan Sayyed, Bibi Ji, Najm Saab and Bibi Ji. And it was through this forum that I started to develop a deeper understanding of Punjabi poetry. It's also at this forum that it was my first introduction to Guru Nanak. Baba Farid Sheikh, his works I also started studying there. Najm Saab apart from reading poetry, there's also a singing chapter of it, because BBG was a classically trained singer, and she provided the music part of the Sangat. The Punjabi poetry was composed by Najm Saab. There I started singing Farid Ji's Dodas, and the first one I learned was Dekh Farida Jyothia, as composed by Najm Saab. Dekh Farida Jyothia, शक्कर होई विस, देख फरीदा जो थया, शक्कर होई विस, साईं बाजो आपने वेदन कहिए किस, साईं बाजो आपने वेदन कहिए किस, देख फरीदा जो थया, शक्कर होई विस। हाँ जे ते संगत दी मैं ना होंदी, मैं अटेंड ना करदी, then it would have been very perhaps more difficult to follow Gurbani, or so jehda sanja virsa hai, I feel ke it has assisted in my coming to Gurbani proper, or the study of the Granth Sahib for the purposes of the allegory docu-series. It's not like I was not singing Punjabi poetry, or I was not familiar with regional folk poetry before Sangat. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ the Siraiki Kalam of Khwaja Ghulam Farid from the our Ustad Riyaz Ali Qadri Sahab of Kabula Sharif, and he is in the Kafi tradition, and I can present a bit of that also. मुसाग मलेंदीदा गुजर गया दिन सारा, सिंगार करें दीदा गुजर गया दिन सारा, मुसाग मलेंदीदा गुजर गया दिन सारा, रांझा मेरा मैं रांझण दी, रांझण मेरा मैं रांझण दी, रांझण मेरा मैं रांझण दी, रोज अजल दा कारा, मुसाग मलेंदी दा गुजर गया दिन सारा, सिंगार करें दीदा गुजर गया दिन सारा, गुजर गया दिन सारा। That brings me to the end of my story. Sort of. I mean, I have been learning singing since birth, or I've been exposed to it since birth, and we are a household of singers. So, आगे वेखना की होंदा है. I think जेडे शब्द होन मैं कोशिश है कि पूरी तरह करा, जेडे मैं verses कीते ने on expanded full versions of the Shabad. Let's see where it goes.